Okay, you all set?
Yep. Ooh, I ran out of rounds. Woo! Oh, fuck. Fuck. Woo! Throw more lead at it. Is that it? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
You all right?
Yep.
No, you got.
That's tiring going up that hill.
Yeah, I know. Stay over there?
Yep, right here. Just kind of grab it right there. And once it gets so far, then it'll take itself. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Yep.
Come on, Nick. You'll feel like you're going to fall, but you ain't going nowhere. You're a famous last one.
I haven't lost one yet. Whoa, that's weird.
Be a little bang when we get to the bottom.
Put your GoPro way. Wait, let me grab it. I think that's better.
Yeah, that's weird.
Is that not hooked on?
It spun on you.
What?
There you go.
Thank you.
The other one you actually hooked on the piece itself, not even the hook.
Oh.
There you go. Set?
Yeah.
Go ahead and load and fire away.
Hold on, let me get a video from this side, Nick.
As he's letting that blood rush to your head, right?
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck. That's hard. I'm out. Those little ones are hard.
All right, you want to pull it? Pull your magazine. You got that other second magazine there?
Not on me, no.
Oh, okay. You want? Oh. Use this?
Want me to reset before you load?
Sure.
I see how you didn't like that little one.
No. I'm like, fuck it.
Go ahead, load, make ready. Fire.
This is hard. I'm out.
Because you're hitting everything but.
It is a lot harder than I thought.
Sorry.
Oh, interesting. Yep, stovepipe.
Well, it replaced the Sten gun.
Interesting sounds coming out of the suppressor. I'm hearing. Oh, it really changed my point of impact. That's weird. Am I getting bullet rubs on this? Yeah, it's on there. I'm getting massive point of impact shifts.
That's not a normal when you're running a suppressor, right?
Yeah.
That's not normal. It normally doesn't happen.
No, not for me.
That's the first time I've ever seen you do that. Not allowed. Ever.
It could be.
I've never seen it fired with a optic on it.
Yeah, an ALG mount. It could be this optic because, I mean, if you look how close it is above,
it might be
bouncing back and falling back down. I'll try that one. That's not bad at all.
Not at all. We put several mags through, like about the speed you were just shooting.
Yeah.
I was able to take it off.
Is it technically full auto rated?
No, not yet.
Okay.
We have a G18 clone right now, and so within a few weeks we'll have tested it.